fix the date formatting in here, let us go to Visual Studio. Then in Visual Studio, I'll go to the partial view post that we just created. And here at the top, we are going to write some C# code. So in here, just after the model, I'll use add and then curly brackets to create a placeholder or a section where I can write C# code. Now, in here, to find the time difference between when the post was created and now, I'm going to use time span. So for that, I'll just type time span is equal to time span since posted is equal to, and then datetime dot UTC now, because we are also storing everything in the database in UTC. And then you can either use minus model.dateCreated, or you can use the method dot subtract. And then from here, we are going to subtract the model dot date created. At this point, we have the time span from when the post was created. Then down here, I'm going to use string display time, and this is going to have an initial value of empty string. And then based on when the post was created, we're going to display the time. For example, if time since posted dot total days is greater than or equal to 1, then in this case, we want the text to be, so display is equal to, and then we want to just get the days ago. So just 5, let's say, days ago. Else if, then let us check for the total hours. So if the time since posted dot total hours is greater than or equal to 1, then the display time is going to be hours ago, then it's going to be minutes ago, and then it's going to be seconds ago. Now, when it's less than 1 minute, in that case, we can just replace this text with just now. So, just now. And then, let us save the changes. Now down here, I'm just going to remove this part and simply display in here at display time. Let us save the changes. Just run the app. Now here we can see that instead of the date, we get to see the 1 hour ago. Now in this case is 1 hour. So what you can do is you can just improve the code to check first if it's equal to 1, then just display hour. If it's greater than 1, just display hours. That can be done by just adding logic in here to show the S only when the date is greater than 1. If you want to improve this code, you can just type a switch case in here. So you can just set the value of display time based on the value of the time span since posted. And when the t is basically greater than 1, you can just display just d ago, hour, minutes, or just now. If you want, you can also add a condition here for days, like if t, when t dot total days, let's say, is greater than 365, then you can make it just year ago. Let us just remove this line. So we can see the code. Let us run the app one more time. And on here, you can see that this is 1 hour ago, 1 hour ago. If you want, you can also add like a tooltip in here. So whenever you hover over the 1 hour, you get to see like the exact time. For that, we can just type in here title is equal to, and then this is going to be at model dot date created, then dot to string, and the format is going to be, let's say, the month. Then we have the day, year, and then space, let's say hour in the 24 hours format, and then the minutes. Let us save the changes. Let's run the app one more time. Now let us just hover the mouse, and you can see that we have the exact time.